Welcome to the wonderful world of meditation. With me, Philly J. Lay. We all have traumas in our lives, big T's and little t's. Little t's are the small things that just annoy you. Forgetting something, getting a parking ticket, getting ghosted on Tinder. Hey, just me then. But they trigger you, putting negative energy into the body. Big T's are the big losses, the grief we encounter over our lives. Grief comes in many forms, not just death. It comes from being separated from loved ones for whatever reason. Losing a job, a business, a home, a relationship, an education, a childhood, where the seeds of life are planted. A life that has been planted before our time, through the lives of those who have gone before us and their traumas. You have two parents. What trauma did they go through? 4 grandparents. Your grandmother grew the egg that grew you. What trauma did she go through? So you already have taken on the traumas of 2 generations. You have 8 great-grandparents. What were their traumas? 16 great-great-grandparents. 32 great-great-great-great-grandparents. 64 great-great-great-great-great-grandparents. 2048 great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandparents, who all have sown seeds into your existence. But out of tiny acorns, great oaks grow, and you have the amazing ability to be that great oak. Never let anyone tell you differently. And even when a branch has broken off in the storm, you still have the astonishing ability to continue to grow and flourish. Everyone breaks at some point in their lives. It's where the light comes in. All those generations, all those branches that got broken along the way. But you can start that regrowth with you. Beautiful, wonderful, astonishing you. What is a life but a journey of self-discovery and releasing old traumas that do not serve you. You have shown up here today for yourself just by being here, and you are worth it. Beautiful, wonderful, astonishing you. Be kind to yourself. You deserve it. Deserve to be released from all the traumas that sit inside of your body, and walk forward on your new path of self-discovery and connect to the great universe of life. You don't meditate to get good at meditation, but to get good at life, to release the pain of the past, to connect to the energy vibrations of the universe. There is no right or wrong here. Map your own path. Listen to your body. Listen to your gut. Listen to your heart. They will tell you. The important thing is this: not what you are, but what you can become. And remember, where you are now is not your final destination.